Hey everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Rayon Tech TV, and today in this session we will be continuing on UI UX development series for Appian. Last time we have discussed on file upload field component, and we have discussed that in order to upload a file using file upload field component, we are having a condition that it should be a part of a start form or a task. And if you want to upload any file using file upload field component outside it, you need a bank submit uploaded files function. Let me convert it into the latest version. So in order to use this function, we need to understand the accessibility and the scope of it. So there are many a times a scenario where you are having multiple file upload fields in a single screen, and you don't want the entire screen to be submitted, or you don't want the final submit button to be hitting on the screen, and you just need a specific button to just upload the file into the target folder. So in those scenarios, plus in the scenario where you don't want the screen to be a part of a start form or a task, then we use abank submit uploaded files function into the save into parameter of a submit button or a link. So I'll show you an example. Let's understand the parameters first. The first parameter is on success, on error, and documents. So these all are optional. Even if you write anything without the function, or without these parameters also, then also the function will work. So it says that on success, do you have any list of saves? On error, do you have any list of like parameters that you want to update in with respect to variables, or do you have something like FP bang error? Do you want to save it in a local variable or not? And then it says that we have documents property, which is used to you as an optional parameter when we have multiple documents or a single documents on an interface. Then like what this parameter accepts a list of documents to submit when the user click. Okay, what are the documents that has been listed? So we can choose that. Documents that have already been submitted cannot or cannot be found will be ignored. So if this parameter is ignored, so all the uploaded documents that are used and uploaded through file upload field will be submitted. So we can either align the document variable, or we can just ignore it if we want the file upload field documents, all the list of documents to be uploaded. So this is a good example provided by Appian documentation that we are having two file upload fields, first one and second one, right? So you don't want it to be clashed in terms of both of them, right? They may be separate interfaces, or they may be a part of parent interface with child one and child two. So you don't want a particular file upload field waiting for a master submit button, or you don't want this button to be dependent on both the fields to be uploading with the data. So what you should do, you should use submit uploaded files as a function here, abank submit uploaded files inside the save into parameter of your target button. So if this is the target button, this is the target button where you have to upload your file and save it, then you have to use the function there. And the previous file upload field, even if it is having the file, it will be ignored. So just to save time, let me choose an example code, which is in a simple way so that you understand better. I think these might get complex one. So let me choose the beginner code. Okay, we are having file upload field. Okay, okay, it's fine. Let's choose this one. Let's copy this one and let's go to testing interface. Let's clear the previous code. Before clearing, let's paste it here, the code that we have copied. And we are having one similarity, I think. We have to replace the constant where we have the target folder. So I'm choosing the constant that I have created yesterday, replacing it here, clearing the previous code totally. And as you can see now, if we test, we are having a file upload field and a submit button. Also, we are having some validations that it has to accept only PNG on only JPEG or JPEG. So I don't want this kind of validation as of now. Let me remove the validation on the file upload field. I think I should upload a PDF. So, which is the target folder? The target folder is nothing but a document folder, which is present here. So, as you can see, I have only one doc here. Let's go to temp files. We are having the temp document in the download history. So here it says that once we upload the field, now as you can see, there is no file upload field. There is no parent layout when it comes to any kind of form layout. We are not using it in a start form. We are just on a screen and we are uploading the doc and we are hitting the submit button. But the good thing to notice is in the submit button, we are having a function called abank submit uploaded files. Here we are having three parameters: on success, on error, or documents. These all are optional. Even if you don't put anything and you just put the function, it will upload the document. So let me just save it first and let me collapse the code. Let me add, what do we have? We are having get started. Let me add a temp PDF document then. Let me upload the doc here. Now, as you can see in the file, we are having the temp PDF document. The moment we hit submit button, the document should have been uploaded. Let's refresh. As you can see, we got the document uploaded. Another thing to notice is the parameter inside the save into button. It can be a button or a link, and it has to be a part of a save into. This function has to be a part of save into. Now, on the upload of the successful upload of the document, do you want anything to be updated? So you can use on success and update a local variable, and similarly you can use on error for that and documents accordingly. So this is something that I want to showcase, that yes, even without any kind of conditional form layout, start form, even without these things, or like even with standard file upload field component, you can directly use the button, and inside the button save into parameter, we are having a bank submit uploaded files function, which allows you to actually implement the uploading in a much more easier manner. Now, what's the real life application of this? So the real life application of this is most prominently done with Appian portals. So in portals, there are scenarios where you are doing nested layouts, you are designing complex interfaces, and you don't want the user to, be a part of, a synchronous process. So what do we need to do that? Then we need to just allow the user to upload a file, and if it is outside the standard procedures, then we just put that function name inside the save into parameter and just hit submit. So this is something that we can use. So if you really like my implementation, and if you are enjoying the videos, and if you are learning something new out of my daily videos, drop a subscribe, hit the like button, comment any topic you want me to explain. It's a fuel of my motivation. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.